Thai mango avocado salad. On this episode, my name is Diana and I'll be your chef. Here in South Florida, we just ended our mango harvest. This salad gives you a really great, quick recipe to bring in those mangoes. I'm going to start this recipe in a jar. We're going to make the Thai sauce first. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. We're going to use 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, or I have tamari here. The juice of 1 lime. The lime and the sesame oil create a really delicious fusion that creates that Thai flavor in this salad. And then 1 clove of garlic. Two to 3 teaspoons of maple syrup. Cap it and then shake it up and set it aside. For our salad, it's really light and fresh and vibrant. We're going to use mangoes, 1 avocado. I have a slimcado here, so I will use about half of it. 1 red bell pepper. And then we're going to pour that Thai dressing over top. And we're going to top it with cilantro and Thai basil. Cilantro adds that extra kick of flavor and spice. Together with the mangoes and the avocado and the red bell pepper, you have a real rainbow in your bowl. Some Thai basil. Little bit of Thai basil. And there you have it, our avocado mango Thai salad. If you like this recipe, tag us on Instagram and share your photos at UFIORG. Like us on Facebook at the Urban Farming Institute, Oakland Park, Florida.